I must say, I do love long sleeve weather. It's like fall, crispy, chill, a little chill in the air. I love
the seasons, they change. I'm trying to remain. For reasons I must grow. Love, life.
My beautiful wife gave me a big fat sleep in today. About once every 2 weeks, I need like an 8 o'clock sleep in. Oh, just a little catch up.
Live.
For those youngsters out there, you may not remember this, but some of you will.
The seasons, they change. I'm trying to
An old 20. That's kind of cool.
remain. For reasons I must grow. Love, life, live, hope. The seasons, they change. I'm trying to remain.
Alright, got the office, oil change, post office, light rail.
For reasons I must grow. Love.
What I say in yesterday's vlog, wait 10 minutes and the weather will change. Sunny now. Man.
Life, live, hope. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. At the riverside, I gotta live.
They've got the biggest American flag in Englewood. I like that. Good job, Auto Lab. Coupons, baby. Always using coupons. When you think you dressed correctly, man. Ugh, it's too hot now. I left the keys to the post office box in the car that I just dropped off at the oil change shop. So I gotta go to the post office later today. Whoops. Back to Englewood. I really need to do a vlog on cash envelopes. Oh, maybe next week. Just said goodnight to the family, even though it's only 2 o'clock on this beautiful day. Oh, I don't want to go drive, but I have to go make some money. We are simply on a journey through this life to the next. So, you gotta keep fighting, even when you don't want to go drive for Uber. Uber-dee-doober-dee. Right.
I need to suit up for the game. And so...
Not sure if you can see me, but it doesn't matter. That man next to me definitely lives in his car. Man, it's tough out there. Economy's tough. People are struggling. How I know he lives in his car is because there's a sleeping bag in the back seat, and all of his clothes are nicely folded on the front seat. Shotgun. The red on the Uber partner app map is a good thing. That means the prices are surging, which means you get to make a little more money. Just chilling here, waiting for the next ride. Thought I'd come enjoy the fountain a little bit down here in Englewood. It's got a fun shot. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Make sure that nice.
Lift request. Looks a little different than Uber. Whoop. Gotta go. Come on, you gotta come too. It's a little insane out here driving. Just trying to keep the car on the road. Just dropped off a rider at beautiful Red Rocks. I got to go to Old Crow Medicine Show, upper left-hand corner at Red Rocks last week. Pretty exciting video, if I might say so myself. Now, if I could just get the internet to work on my phone. I just dropped off 4 Chinese students who, you know, God bless them. They're just chipper-chat, in the back seat in Chinese. And I wanted so bad to, as I was dropping them off, just say goodbye and have a great weekend in Chinese. You know, letting them know that I heard the whole conversation, but I could tell they were talking about, you know, who knows what, but making fun of, oh man, it was hilarious. All right, gotta go. 2 questions that I get while driving for Uber. Sorry the camera's getting wet. I'm getting soaked as well. Let me stand up here. Oh, that's better. For question number 1. I've been driving for Uber about 12 months. Do I want to drive for Uber? No. Do I need to? Yes. Gotta pay some bills. Question number 2. Am I from Colorado? Yes, I am. Buena Vista, Colorado, that is. Go Demons. That was our mascot. I'm not saying go Demons. I'm saying, you know, go BVHS. You know what I mean. Whew. Okay, it's wet, it's cold. This thing is a little star that I'm going to show you right now in Englewood. And, all right, let's continue on. 'Twas a solid evening out here on the road, but I think the rain has kept a lot of people at home tonight because it's not crazy busy, not surging on the Uber app. So I think I'm going to call it here, but I just had to come return to the fountain because it looks so pretty at night, you know, just so nice. Have a great weekend, and I'm excited to see what the weekend holds. Actually, I know what it's going to hold. My brother's running a race up a 14,000-foot peak tomorrow, so that's going to be fun. All right, sleep well, rest well, see you tomorrow.